Hello everyone, welcome to the Scalping Day Trading FX channel. In this video, we will discuss a very effective scalping strategy if you use it for trading gold or trading XAUUSD using the 15-minute time frame. To use it, you can open the TradingView application. After that, you can go to the Indicator Search tab. In the Indicator Search tab, type TUE ADX MACD Confluence V1. Then, just select the TUE ADX MACD Confluence V1 indicator from Traders Ultima. Before it can be used, make a few adjustments to this indicator. In the Input tab, make some settings as I do. Disable the checkmark on Show Candle Colors. Change the ADX length value to 50. Change the ADX smoothing value to 30. Change the MACD fast length value to 20. Change the MACD slow length value to 50. Then you can go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the Plot Candle section. If all the settings are correct, click OK to save the changes. This TUE ADX MACD indicator will guide you in identifying the best points to place buy and sell entries. As we can see together, this indicator will provide buy and sell signals on the chart. However, if you want to place entries using the signals that appear, it is best to confirm them first. Scalping is one of the fastest ways to enter and exit the market. While it promises quick profits, the scalping method also carries the potential for quick losses. That is why you need to find the right strategy if you want to scalp in the market. One of the scalping strategies we will discuss this time is very suitable for you to use in the scalping method. Besides being effective, this scalping strategy can also help you achieve consistent profits. Before we continue, don't forget to support this channel by liking and subscribing. This way, you won't miss out on other interesting information that we will share. Let's continue. Now, let's add the second indicator we will use. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Momentum Ghost Machine. Then, select the Momentum Ghost Machine indicator from Chart Prime. This Momentum Ghost Machine indicator will help you confirm signals in the market. This indicator filters the momentum that forms. If the bar of the Momentum Ghost Machine indicator is green, it is a confirmation sign of an uptrend. If the bar of the Momentum Ghost Machine indicator is red, it is a confirmation sign of a downtrend. To make it easier for you to see the momentum filter confirmation, you can also check the color of the candlestick that forms. If the candlestick is green, it is a confirmation sign of an uptrend. If the candlestick is red, it is a confirmation sign of a downtrend. As a trend guide and additional confirmation in this scalping strategy, we will add one more indicator. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type SMA SSL Hybrid HalfTrend. Then, select the SMA SSL Hybrid HalfTrend indicator from this creator. To get optimal performance from this indicator, you can make a few adjustments. Go to the Input tab and set length SMA number 1 to 100. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck several options and leave only SMA number 1, the first half trend, and the second half trend. Then, adjust the thickness and color of the SMA line according to your preference. Once the settings are complete, simply click OK to save the changes. This SMA SSL Hybrid HalfTrend indicator will have two main functions. The SMA line will act as a trend guide, and the HalfTrend lines will serve as additional confirmation filters. If both HalfTrend lines are green and close above the SMA line, it is a confirmation sign of a bullish trend. In this case, you will only look for the best buy entry points. Meanwhile, if both HalfTrend lines are red and close below the SMA line, it is a confirmation sign of a bearish trend. In this case, you will only look for the best sell entry points. For more clarity, we will now discuss how to place buy and sell entries using this scalping strategy. How to place a sell entry. If the ADX MACD Confluence indicator gives a sell signal, confirm that it is a valid sell signal. Confirm that both HalfTrend lines cross or close below the SMA line. Confirm that both HalfTrend lines are red. Ensure the formed candlestick is red, indicating that the momentum ghost machine shows a downtrend confirmation. Once all conditions are met, you can place a sell entry after the candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last high. Set the take profit target using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy entry. If the ADX MACD Confluence indicator gives a buy signal, confirm that it is a valid buy signal. Confirm that both HalfTrend lines cross or close above the SMA line. Confirm that both HalfTrend lines are green. Ensure the formed candlestick is green, indicating that the momentum ghost machine shows an uptrend confirmation. Once all conditions are met, you can place a buy entry after the candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last low. Set the take profit target using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no trading strategy is 100% perfect. Click like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.